Automated assessment of the implementation of FAIR principles. In recent years, the FAIR principles for open datasets, findability, accessibility, interoperability, reuse, have been actively discussed. The assessment of the implementation of FAIR principles based in most cases on expert opinion. Many information systems use automated tools for obtaining metrics to evaluate the operation of hardware and software, exploitation of systems. The aim of the study is to develop a method for automated evaluation of the implementation of the FAIR principles. To develop a method for assessing the rating of datasets, we used the experience of obtaining exploitation indicators in the following information systems. Unified State System of Information on the World Ocean, Russia. Net Chemistry Portal, European Commission Project. WMO Integrated Global Observation System. Research Data Alliance. The considered indicators are using in the method for automated evaluation of the rating of datasets. Metrics for the FAIR indicators selected for a detailed assessment of datasets in accordance with the main principles: findability, accessibility, interoperability, reuse. The formula for calculating the ranking of datasets and the weighting factors for each indicator given on the slide 3. For each metric, criteria of assessment defined. Findability indicator is equal to the sum of following metrics: timeliness of automatic editing of the several metadata attributes, completeness of filling in attributes of metadata, relative number of timely edited metadata and objects, availability of different metadata and objects for datasets, existence of a data service providing persistent identifiers, representativeness of metadata descriptions, adequacy of the content of the data in metadata attributes, demand for metadata through applications, portals, services. Accessibility indicator is equal to the sum of metrics: reliability, the readiness of the dataset to be available at any time, data relevance, update of datasets, declared in the metadata and actual dates and time. Regulatory accessibility, open data or data provided under a contract. Ensuring rights to access datasets from owner. Interoperability indicator is equal to the sum of the following metrics: use of national and international standards in metadata and data, availability of documentations on data, data quality, percentage of attribute values that have errors, availability of certification of datasets. Reuse indicator is equal to the sum of the following metrics: number of accesses of all categories of users to the dataset from various applications, number of downloads of geographical services, number of deliveries by subscription, number of user requests, uniform visualization of datasets in various applications, using several metadata and objects. Feedback from users. An example of the results of calculating the rating of SMO datasets given on slide 8. The rating for 2020 included 3,400 datasets from 11 agencies, 37 data providers. The distribution of datasets in rating reflects their real state. Conclusion: experimental results have been obtained on the example of SMO datasets. Quarterly and yearly reports of SMO with metrics of monitoring results of datasets, metadata, software, hardware, network, information support have been used. For the calculation of some metrics, it is required to supplement the existing metadata new attributes and add information. The method can be refined both by the composition of metrics and by numerical criteria of them assessment. Thank you for your attentions.